Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Strength King, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Listen, I want you to lock in. I want you to listen, okay? I'm going to give you some proof and show you, okay, that I'm not the only one on my team making money, man. There's several people on my team making money. But this young individual, man, he just really inspired me and just really motivated me even more, man, just to get out there and share this opportunity with any and everyone. All right, he's a full-time college student, okay? Full-time college student, has a full-time job, all right? And he actually made $1,000 in 2 days. $1,000 in 2 days in MCA using my training, okay? Following our strategies, and he's just been kicking butt and taking names. Last week, he had a $500 day. This week, he had two $500 days back to back. Okay, and just really simply following the training. Man, he's been with us 2-3 months. Okay, he's been making he's been making this money, but he finally just broke out, man, and really just taking off. And I want y'all to hear his testimony. I'm not gonna give you the whole video. I know you see the time on there. It's real short, about 2 or 3 minutes to hear his testimony, man. I'll be right back.
Man, please, man, you know what I can do by myself? There he is, y'all. Listen, for those of y'all who stayed on, okay, Christopher just jumped on. I'm finna try to get him on real quick. All right, I'm about to send you an invite, Chris. Y'all hold on 1 second, man. I want y'all to check this out. Hold on 1 second, Chris. I'm finna try to send you an invite, man. It's gonna be my first time. I just want to ask you a few questions real quick.
And listen, just so y'all know what's going on real quick, I had to pause real quick. Just so y'all know what's going on, okay? This is a live Facebook feed, okay? We went live on Facebook, all right? Majority of my promoting comes from Facebook, man. I'll train you how to get money on Facebook, okay? Any social media platform, but Facebook is definitely a gold mine. So just want to share with y'all real quick what's going on. This happened on Facebook Live. Wasn't scripted at all. Okay.
That can't beat it out. That first sale, boy, strokes your ego. What's up, baby?
Man, PNF, what's up, man? Salutes to you, man.
Hey, how you feeling, bro?
Just like, I owe you like a giant thank you, bro, man. Just because this experience, bro, is like, man, it's nothing but a blessing, man. Just because of the fact that I'm 20 years old, a full-time college student, making thousands of dollars a week, man. I had to celebrate, man, with my girlfriend, man. We just came to the arcade, but bro, through your training and through everything that the PNF family has helped me, you know, all with my success, bro, I can do nothing but thank everybody, man. So salute to everybody. Keep grinding, stay motivated, stay locked in, bro. And I'm telling you, you're going to see success. I already have over $1,500 in commission coming this week. This week alone, man. Like, I've had people blowing me up, man. Literally, all because of this one opportunity. From this one opportunity, I'm able to make over $1,000 a week all from my smartphone. That's easy. I don't get it. I just don't understand how people just don't get it. So, man, like, when you trust in our training and when you trust in our group, bro, you're able to like have so much success and stay locked in, bro. Like this is what I like to call, bro, one of the greatest opportunities of a lifetime, man. Like real rap.
Hey, yeah. Like tell them real quick, man. How long have you been with us, bro?
Bro, I've been with y'all, man. I say almost 2.5, 3 months, bro. Like my first month, you know, I was kind of, you know, out there, and to the fact where like I was at work one day, bro, and I was realizing that I was working 40 hours a week, stressed out in class, not being able to pay bills, all types of stuff. And I was like, you know what? Let me get serious about this opportunity, bro. So when I actually did, man, sales like exploded. That video that I posted, man, about our team, bro, I made that after I got out of math class. After I got paid that Friday, after I received my commissions. And I was just like, man, you know what? Let me share this with somebody. Because I know it's somebody else that's just like me, that's struggling, that, you know, that needs to, like, make money, become their own boss, bro. And when I made that video, man, I wasn't even expecting it to blow up like that. And when it blew up, like, it literally has over 3,000 views right now. I have over 200 people in my inbox, man, trying to join the family. So, man, I really want to thank y'all for everything, man. We're going to continue to grind. We're going to continue to make money. Let's just eat, y'all.
Let's see. Let's see, man. Listen, bro, I appreciate the time. I'm not gonna hold you. I know you celebrating with your old lady, but man, I thank God for you, bro. Keep on grinding, man. Listen, God got a lot in store for you, man. So just keep hustling, keep grinding, man. I'll see you at the top, bro.
I see y'all up there, man. Appreciate it, bro.
All right, man. Woo! There it is, man. I just want y'all.
Okay, so look, I'm just going in, just kind of sharing with everybody that, you know, look, man, these are real results, man. It's real results. You see, I went live. I titled it. I just said one of my business partners hit $1,000 in 2 days. We're not playing listening as he gives his testimony. Okay, so I was messaging him earlier, and I didn't think he was going to get on because he wasn't responding to my messages. So I just put it up anyway, hoping that, you know, he would get on, and not knowing he was at the arcade celebrating with his girlfriend because, you know, he just hit $1,000 in 2 days. So, you know, he was excited. He's excited. And I want to show y'all one more other thing real quick, okay? Just kind of giving you all this real testimonies to showing you of the training. I just received this message from one of my business partners today because I helped her close the deal. But I just want to let y'all read in just a little bit on what was going on, okay? So she basically was telling me about a sale that she closed, okay? And this was today. This is today. She said, I tell you, I'm excited for her. She was like, me too. She said it's the reason it signed up her with me. She said, I'm going to go stay signed up with you. You're so real at the end of the call. She said, your training. And this is what she's talking about me because she kind of ran all this together. She said, your training is the bomb. Thank you. I watched that ABC one today. Always be closing. I did a live video, a live training video called Always Be Closing. And I dropped some major nuggets, some major closing tactics, strategies, scripts. I mean, I gave him a lot of knowledge, man. It's one of the best lives I've ever done. I told him, man, I'm actually about to download that live and put it inside our training website because it was amazing, man. I dropped some bombs, okay? I dropped some bombs. But anyway, she said, your training is the bomb. Thank you. I watched the ABC one today. I always be closing, and all I did was just that, and we connected. Amazing. So thanks for always dropping the knowledge. All right, and I said, hey, that's what I'm talking about. She said, yes, I couldn't believe it. I shocked myself, like, man, I can really do this. So thank you. I'm forever grateful and happy to be a part of your team. See what I'm saying? I just told you we're happy to have you. Keep up the great work. It's at 1:05, okay? We working. Y'all see what time it is on my computer. It's not a game. 1:44 a.m. I'm up working, taking care of business. You see what I'm saying? And so this is what it's all about, man. MCA Motor Club of America. Okay, it's tons of money to be made, but you just got, first of all, you got to find the right team. Okay, and just a little bit about myself. If this is your first time on my channel, listen, I've been a part of this industry now for over 4 years. Okay, I actually fired my boss December 26, 2015. So I've been full time for the past 2 years. Excuse me. I'm married with 6 kids, and I do this business full time from home, using my cell phones. Okay, using my cell phone devices, using my laptop. I make money. Okay, and I have no set hours. You know, I don't work a job. I have no set hours. That's why I can work at 1:45 a.m. and I'm wide awake because I trust me, I get my sleep. People say, you know, that's dangerous. It's not safe. You should be getting your sleep. It's not healthy. I get my sleep. Okay, I just don't have a set time when I have to go to sleep anymore. Like when I had to be at work at 7 o'clock, I had to make sure I had my butt in the bed at 9, 10 o'clock so I can have enough proper rest to get to work. Now, I work any day, all day, okay? I make money in my sleep, all right? But now I'm getting stuff set up. I'm shooting this video for you all to, you know, share the knowledge and, you know, kind of show you some proof and just let you know if you decide to lock arms with the Paid in Full family, you will receive training, okay? You're going to see my fully loaded training website. You'll also be added to my private Facebook training group. There you're going to receive additional live training and support. I love what I do, man. I love my team, and I love hearing these success stories, and I'm looking to create more success stories. You could be next. You could be next. But what you got to do is you got to take action. You got to say, you know what? Enough is enough. I've heard enough about this company because the majority of y'all who are watching this, you've heard about MCA before. You've been doing your research, and now this video and fell in your lap, and you're like, okay, that's what I want. I want those results. But you got to come in with the right mindset. You got to come in and have your mind made up and say, I'm going to do whatever it takes to win. This guy has the right mindset. Since he's been in, it's been nothing but positivity, nothing but I got to make this happen. I got to make this happen. Full-time college student making no excuses, okay? No excuses. But It's hard to make excuses with my training because it's step by step by step by step. He has literally asked me no questions at all. Okay, generic questions like maybe some stuff in his back office before it's just like the training period, how to market, things of that nature. I got you covered. I got the back office covered. Okay, some of the questions that he's asking me though is like general questions that he may have been able to find out himself, but you know, his organization is growing. Okay, you don't have to know it all. You don't need any experience. You just need to be 18 years or older. Okay, you have to reside in the U.S. or Canada. You got to have a right mindset, some ambition, some hustle, and a smartphone with internet access, man, and you can make some serious money. Okay, income disclaimer though: being an independent business owner requires work. Okay, results are not typical, so don't be typical. You get in this thing, you hustle your butt off, you put in the work. If you put in the work, man, the results are going to come. You just got to trust the process, right? You got to trust the process, man. If you want to do something different, you got to get something different, all right? If you're not, you're going to stay in the same place. Now, listen, it took him 2 to 3 months to actually just bust out, okay? He been making money since he's been with us, okay? But 2 to 3 months. So let's say, for instance, if he never made any money and it took him 3 months to do it, how much money would he have came out of? We're talking $40 to get started, right? And it's only $19.95 a month. So if we're thinking that 3 months, he's only spent $60 for his membership. Man, he's made well over $2,000-$3,000. More than that, probably. I don't know the exact income he's made since he's been in, but just in the last 2 weeks, over $2,000 easily. You see what I'm saying? So it's a lot of room for you to just really grow, okay, within this industry, man. It's a lot of room for you to grow within this industry, man. The network marketing industry is like a $180 billion industry per year. Okay, it's over 10,000 companies in the world that use the network marketing niche. You see what I'm saying? So it's wide open, man. MCA been around since 1926. They're not going anywhere, okay? This company has stood the test of times. MCA Motor Club of America is not going anywhere. It's been around since 1926, okay? That's almost 100 years, okay? So it's not a here today, going tomorrow company. It's going to be here, all right? Unlimited roadside assistance. Everyone needs it. Everyone wants it. So when you can satisfy a need and a want, and then you add a compensation plan attached to it, it's Christmas every day, man. It's Christmas every single day. So that's it. That's all, man. I didn't want the video to be this long. I'm still fired up. It's 1:49 a.m. in the morning, April 13th. This is a Friday. Y'all be getting this video probably around 9-ish, 10-ish in the morning. You know what I'm saying? I'm just fired up, man. Having a blast. As you can see, this was on Wednesday. And I'm just getting so many hits from it. He actually is shared on his page. He actually hit me up and said, man, I actually you helped me close the deal because of your live video. I shared it. And just hearing your testimony and hearing you talk about me, he wanted to join. So I helped him close even more deals, man. Just adding more to his bank account. So I said, you know what? Let me put this on YouTube, man. Show my YouTube channel because a lot of y'all are not following me yet on my Facebook. Click on the links below, man. My social media sites are below. If you want to follow me and see what we got going on and see that the results are real, because we share a lot of the results on Facebook, not really on YouTube like a lot of people do. Facebook is my baby, man. Facebook it's a gold mine, okay? And that's where I spend a lot of my attention, and that's why I teach my team to show. It's got 2 billion users on Facebook, so you know, why wouldn't I? Okay, and I use YouTube, man, to just really share, get in front of the people and talk, man, and just, you know, do what I love, man. I'm having a blast, man. This is some easy money being made. And it's only getting better. Our team is getting stronger, and we're growing by the day, literally by the hour. It's amazing, man. So with that being said, I've said enough. Make a decision, okay? Make a decision. Stop allowing the start to stop you. Get started. www.paidinfull.biz. Get started. You will get training. Oh, yeah. If you're already in MCA, let me go ahead and put that out. If you're already in MCA, you're not receiving the proper training, you're not receiving the proper support, we do offer training for MCA associates with other sponsors, okay? There is an investment involved. Email me, workwiththewilliams@gmail.com. Don't ask me below. Email me, workwiththewilliams@gmail.com. Let's build a relationship, and let's see what we can do. We can get you onto the team, man. Have a phenomenal day. I'll see y'all on the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right now.